Hey y'all, today I'm gonna show you how to get the perfect twist out every single time.
All about natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae.
If you want your twist out to turn out bomb every time, this is the video for you. I'm talking shine, definition, and moisture. For this style, I prefer to start off with damp hair. This is going to ensure that you get max volume. Now, before we get into the products, today we are going to use the Cecred Moisture Sealing Lotion. This product adds moisture and shine to your hair and is a great base layer before applying the Doux Crazysexycurl Honey Setting Foam. Now, if you know, this foam mousse is one of my favorites because it gives you such a good hold, especially for twist outs. Now today I'm simply doing 2-strand twist, but if you want to see a video on 2-strand versus 3-strand, please click in the top right hand corner of this video and I have a whole tutorial on that. Now for parting, I just did a brick pattern in the back so I don't have a straight part down the center of my head. And then when it came to the front of my head, I decided to do flat twist. I opted for this pattern because I knew that it would make wearing my twist out during the week a little bit more cute while I waited on my hair to dry. Now, as you can see, I have thinner edges, so my flat twist barely looked like flat twist, but we're gonna make it do what it do with what we got. Now, I did do smaller twists this time to maximize definition, but this is definitely a method that I'd recommend for those who have higher density hair. If you have lower density, you can get away with doing less twists. Now, as far as keeping your roots flat, you want to add these little duckbill clips to the base of your twist. This is going to allow your roots to dry flat. Now, if you prefer a standing afro, I definitely recommend skipping this step. And lastly, I like to go ahead and style my baby hairs while my hair is still wet so everything can dry together. Okay, y'all, this is what my twists look like. I did clip them at the base to make sure the roots aren't super puffy. I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for maybe about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go to bed, okay? Then I plan on wearing this hairstyle like this, probably put it in a ponytail for about 2 days and then we'll take the twist down. All right, I'm back. Can I be honest with y'all? It is literally Thursday. My hair has been in these twists for most of the week. I basically wore my hair either in a turban, in a low bun, or lately I've been putting this little claw clip back here. She wasn't super cute or anything like that. We're working on it. But the twists are dry. My sister and my mama actually been complimenting my twists. They said they look cute, but now it's time to take them out. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Cecred Nourishing Hair Oil and just add this to the tips of my fingers while I unravel the twist. When it comes to unraveling your twist, I think it's very simple, but you have to be very careful. I like to turn my hair in the opposite direction of the twist. This will unravel your hair very easily. And then once the hair starts to separate, you just wanna take your time and detangle it all the way to the ends. Now, you don't wanna pull it too quickly where your ends get tangled when you're unraveling the twist, but if you do this slowly and use a little bit of oil, you should have a fairly smooth takedown process. Now, if you have high density hair, you won't have to separate your hair as much to get like your desired results. If I did meter twist, I could wear this as like a little half up with the back down twist out. This combo is literally the best twist out combo you'll ever try. I feel like every time I use these products, my hair turns out perfect. And I kind of don't want to separate the twist. I think I might just pick them out. So let me see what that looks like if I just kind of pick them out. And hopefully I have all the twist out in the back. I like how that looks. Make sure I got all the ends and just do that number right there. Just gonna give it that fluffy look and then keep the defined ends. And then I can just separate it as they kind of generally separate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the front because I personally am not gonna wear my hair half up or half down. I just kind of put these twists in the front for me to pull back my hair during the week, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist down in the front. And I didn't really do the most perfect flat twist, because it was getting late when I was doing these twists. We gonna make it do what it do. Oh, babe. The shine, the definition, it eats every time. Now I feel like this is my first time in a while doing like just a regular 2-strand twist out. Normally I like to do the 3-strand twist out, and I've been wondering, every time I do like a 2-strand versus 3-strand twist out video, there be people in the comments like, isn't a 3-strand twist just a braid? No, they're completely different. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in seeing a 3-strand twist versus a braid out video, because I feel like that'll eat. And with this product combo, you see the curls, okay? Like, my hair looks so good. I haven't even really separated the twist for real. I picked it a little bit, but I'm gonna stretch it out with a blow dryer and I'll be right back. And this is what it's given. Honestly, at this point, I'm gonna just let the results do the talking, because do y'all see this? The definition, the shine, the volume. She's airy, she's lightweight, she's moisturized. It is 2026. If you still have not got your hands on the Cecred Moisture Sealing Lotion, baby, this is your sign. Not only get this, but get this, because this combo, baby, is gonna be a twist out dream every single time, okay? Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my first time doing a little 2-strand twist out with multiple twists. Normally, I don't do that many small twists, but the small twists came in clutch, okay? I absolutely love how my hair turned out. Please let me know in the comment section which hairstyles, videos, and products you guys want me to try next. And as always, be kind, be true, and be you to the full. Bye!
It's